Think about drones. What comes into your mind? Wedding, photography, shooting, travel? But drones are more than that. Remember the movie Three Idiots, where Rancho was surprised when he saw a flying item can live stream footage? Exciting, right? I used to think that drones are very complex, but no, they are very simple. Flying machines that can do multiple things and help in multiple sectors. For example, military, agriculture, energy and utility, infrastructure, mining. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles which can be controlled remotely by a pilot or by automation system. Drones came into limelight when in 2013 Amazon announced its experiment with them for surveillance to filming. Drones use is growing across a number of businesses. By transporting medical supplies, drones are already being used to improve logistics and maybe save lives. Additionally, even though the COVID-19 pandemic was still going on, drones were essential for a variety of tasks across the nation, including surveillance, sanitization, temperature monitoring, and public broadcasting. According to research and market report, the Indian drone market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 20.9% during 2022 to 2026. Realizing the potential of drones, the Government of India launched product-linked incentive schemes in March 2020, through which the drone manufacturers could apply for incentives up to 120 crore. In 2021, the Indian government implemented drone rules, updating the previous drone regulations to assist the drone sector. The market became more adaptable as a result of the new legislation, which gave drones legal status and increased market freedom. Chief of the Drone Federation of India, Mr. Smith Shah stated that with the new drone policy, its market is expected to reach 50,000 crore in coming 5 years and 30,000 crore in next 3 years. The market has begun to gain traction thanks to the new drone laws, as many businesses are collaborating to provide information about technology and raise money. In 2019, Reliance Industry bought a 51.78% stake in Asteria Aerospace, a drone maker. Adani Defence Systems and Technologies Limited, a subsidiary of Adani Enterprises, signed an agreement to acquire 50% of the General Aeronautics Private Limited, a provider of robotic drones for the protection of crops, by July 31. Now you will be thinking like how I can invest and earn money out of UAV. So here is the good news. Now retail investors can diversify their portfolio by leasing or purchasing the inventory for these UAVs. And Grip is offering you this opportunity with AUS, Professional Drones for Enterprises. Investors on Grip will offer inventory financing for different parts needed to put together a drone for AUS. The partner will assemble drones using the assets for their business of surveying and other permitted activities. The tenure of this arrangement is 6 months and the investors are projected to receive an annualized pre-tax yield of 11.7%. You can visit gripinvest.in for more information on this deal. But don't take too much time. This deal fills up very fast. So let's your return reach the skies by investing in India's drone economy.